Freshen up all your outdoor timber with these great products from Cabot. This 1 litre Cabot's Deck Clean is great for cleaning and reviving timber decking, pergolas, weatherboards and garden furniture. You can use it on old or new timber to remove dirt, oils and grease to get it ready for coating. And if you want to give your timber a beautiful natural finish that will last, try this 4 litre Cabot's Aquadeck decking oil. It's a highly durable decking and timber oil that's low odour and water based, and it lasts twice as long as traditional decking oils. You'll find the full Cabot's range in the paint department at your local Bunnings warehouse.